Hi guys, it's CryptoMarketLSM.com. Welcome back to another great video. Today I'm going to talk to you on how you can make anywhere from 1127 USD dollars by becoming a virtual assistant. Stick with me. I'm going to explain everything in just a minute. Before we go ahead and start this video, if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and click the subscribe button following the right side of this video, because it would be a great honor to have you on my channel. And make sure you click the subscribe button next to it so you can receive notifications for the videos I release for you. So with no further ado, let's go ahead and jump on today's video and the website I'm going to explain. First website, guys, I'm going to talk is called belaysolutions.com. Everything is listed below, and this website is for United States residents only, but I'm going to show you exactly one more that is have more countries, and also how you can find one for your country. So stick with me. I will explain everything in just a second. So this website is for you to become a virtual assistant, and a lot of companies right now have a lot of demand. People don't have offices, so they have their businesses but they don't have offices. So a virtual assistant could work remotely from home at your comfort of your house. All you need to do is your computer and laptop or internet connection, and you're gonna be a virtual assistant for the company or the person who hires you. You could be maybe answering some Skype calls for them, keeping their calendar, sending a few emails, and following some online tasks, which is very easy to do. Anybody can do it as long as you have a computer and internet connection. So first one, as I told you, is belaysolutions.com. You can get it from below the links. All you need to do is to come here, come to jobs, and create your profile, and they will contact you accordingly to your skills. How much they pay? The typical Belay virtual assistant salary is 17 USD, so you can get anywhere between 15 to 18 USD dollars, which is really good. And I'm gonna go ahead and jump on the second side. It's gonna be more countries located here, so it's called timeandcetera.com. Again, it's a virtual assistant job. You can get it from below. Click here, it will come to this home page, and the logic is the same. You can come to this website. Companies and people who have different jobs, they come here in order to assign you with tasks. And as you can see, you can have less stress about unfinished tasks, worrying about what you do list and busy work, because they're gonna pass things and tasks for you to do. And these individuals or companies, they can be outside with their employees, with the companies, bringing people in, and you can follow up with the calendars, the emails, and so on. Yeah, so the average salary for the time and salaries is about 11 USD per hour, and based again on the location, maybe it's about 11 pounds, which is about 13 USD dollars per hour. Now, I know everybody's going to be asking, as I told you, this is mostly US website. This one has a little bit more countries, but if you are not able to locate your country and you want to try this out as a virtual assistant, you can open Google and just try on the Google search window virtual assistants jobs, and you can see Cyprus, UK, Canada, Australia. Just put your country. So if you are, let's say for example, Canada, just type Canada, it will bring you here. If you are from India, type India. If you are from anywhere around the world, guys, just type that your country, Thailand, and it will bring you the page with results for your country. I'm 99.9% that is going to be available for your location. If you search this way, there's going to be few results coming up, because this is the future. A lot of companies are looking for something like that. So go ahead, give it a shot. On average, is, as I told you, between 11 and 25 USD per hour, which is very decent. Give it a shot to see if it's something that is working out for you. The money is good if you are able to get a job. And also, if you would like to see my #1 recommendation on how you can make passive income from the comfort of your house, make sure you click and check out my #1 recommendation below this video. It's free, and you can start today as well. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like the content. If you did, don't forget to click the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy your day, guys. Make some money. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.